What up, word? It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. Welcome back to my channel. We got an eBay unboxing today. You feel me? So let's get into it. Okay, so yeah, the box came to me a little bit damaged or whatever, but it's okay. This is gonna be my second take on this because the first time the video was going, it messed up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get past all the packing paper and make this thing snappy. I'm gonna pull out this Jordan 1 cool gray. Okay, Jordan 1 cool gray. This is gonna clean up and do what it need to do very well for me. This is gonna be one of my personal shoes. Most of this stuff that I'm showing you is a personal shoe. I do have shoes that I buy and I sell to other people, which is, remember these? I got all that yellowing off. Did a re-glue up here. They came with blue laces. Now they have white laces. They just look so much better with the white laces. That did not come in the box, of course, but I'm just showing you what I do. If anything, if you see something that you think you may want, holler at me. Do it with the quickness, okay? Because I sell shoes if I don't do anything else. Here is the other shoe. I want you to get in there and get a good look at how dingy and everything like that. There are some imperfections in the shoe in this one, but nothing I can't handle. It'll be okay. So, got your Jordan 1 cool grays. Now, I know a lot of you probably want to know a little secret about these, so let me get into it. I don't know who laced these shoes, but they laced them like hell. So, as always, when I do my unboxings and that type of stuff, I try to inform y'all with certain things. So I'm doing this on purpose to show you something about these shoes, or any shoe, because a lot of people act like they don't know something, but you're gonna learn today. You're gonna learn today. This is probably what most sneakerheads and sneaker connoisseurs, that's really what I am, a connoisseur. Because if I like it, I see it, I buy it. That's it. And I'm gonna find something to wear with it. I mean, that is what it is. If I have to sit it up somewhere and do what it do, so that's off, right? Okay. Now, look, this is the secret. I hope I don't make the horn go off, but anyway, here's the secret right here. See that tag right there? Okay? You see that tag? This is your style code number right here. Don't mind my fingernails. They are what they are. But at the end of the day, that style code number is a 9-digit number with that hyphen and then 3 more numbers right there. Any shoe that you buy is going to have a style code on that tag. You can Google that style code, and if this shoe does not come up with the exact conditions that you got it in, or conditions that you see on the post or wherever you at that you're buying, and you're not buying out of a retail store, do not buy the shoe if you don't have this whole tag here. This is hard to duplicate. And you look for all the details that's on this shoe, on the shoe that you see online. Okay? If everything checks out, you got a real shoe. You're not buying fakes. That's one thing that you need to know. Yes, they try, but guess what? They leave out stuff. Let me show you what they leave out. In China, it's going to be made in China. Okay, let me see if I can get that in there real good. It says made in China. But you see that like there, Fabrique in China or whatever? If it don't have that right there on it, it's a fake shoe. Point blank and period. Okay? All the Jordan. I'm going to prove it to you. Here we go again. So here's this shoe. Okay? Nice and cleaned up and ready for somebody to buy it. Okay? Same thing. Let me get up in here. real good. Hope I don't knock the thing over. But you see how it say Fabrique in China. It doesn't say just made in China, or I mean made in China or something like that. But here's your style code on this shoe. Don't mind my fingernail. It is what it is. 9-digit with the hyphen. Okay. You can Google that right there. This is a size 12. I put something in my toe cap to keep my toe cap right. Okay. And like I told y'all, I re-glued it. I got all that bullshit yellow off of it. Got that back clear. They ready to go to somebody. And this is how you keep from getting fakes, man. It's your homeboy Mag 357. Guns, live, learn, live, and grow. Get you some J's, man.